My name's Gary Flint. I'm the large project leader for the new Honda Ridgeline that will be introduced in March of this year. I'd like to just introduce and explain a few of the features and comments about the components in this vehicle. First, it's got a interesting tailgate. It's a two-way tailgate. First and foremost, it has to be capable of handling truck loads. It's the strongest tailgate in the industry. It'll support 300 pounds dynamically, which, of course, if you have a large ATV on here, you're driving, it has to sustain quite a substantial load into the vertical input of the tailgate in that mode. Additionally, it's a dual mode tailgate, so it opens a full 80 degrees to allow complete access of the trunk. One of the key features that's incorporated into the vehicle is a secure storage. It's an in-bed trunk. It's the only vehicle in the segment to offer this type of module. It actually has 8.5 cubic feet of secure storage. Integrated into the trunk is a drain plug, allowing for easy clean out. There's also part of the trunk and features a spare tire that's on a tray that's removed and slide forward to present itself to make it easy to remove. This is also large enough to accommodate a full-size spare, and the trunk or the kit for the jack is then stowed off to the side in the event you purchase an optional full-size spare. The bed's also a very strong feature of the vehicle. It's a high-strength composite bed. It's a vehicle or a bed that's a hybrid between a polyester and a vinyl ester material. There's 3 high-strength steel cross members that are supporting the bed underneath. So unlike the Tacoma or the Sport Track, if you actually take the bed to failure and crack it or break it, you'll still maintain and carry a load. It's the strongest tailgate in the industry, and it's the strongest bed in the industry. This vehicle also will accommodate a full half-ton of cargo, even with passengers and even with payload, unlike the competitors. It's an honest, genuine half-ton vehicle. Part of the other feature that we incorporated into this vehicle is, from the start, was identified to try to handle the needs of the market, and we've allowed for 5,000-pound towing with any type trailer, be it a conventional boat or even a large box trailer. It's pre-wired completely for a brake controller. There's a 7-pin pre-wire available that's all the way back to the rear of the vehicle. There's no further disassembly required in the body or in the interior to attach the hitch. And there's a pre-wire in the instrument panel for the electric brake controller that's required for that size trailer. A couple other features to try to embellish the synergy from the other Honda family products, being very motorcycle friendly, is these shapes in the bed are actually not arbitrary. They're designed specifically to act as guides for off-road motorcycles. Either the 250 or the 450, Honda's largest bike, will fit in this nicely. There's 2 rails on either side, as well as a rail at center line in order to accommodate either two bikes simultaneously, or a single bike mounted at 0B or at center line of the vehicle. Additionally, the rear bed has 6 tie-downs. Each bed tie-down is rated at 350 pounds. The bed tie-downs are specifically designed, the 4 lower ones more so for ATVs. Honda's largest ATV will fit in here. And additionally, when you have 2 bikes loaded into the bed simultaneously, you need higher tie-downs to stabilize the bike laterally, and these upper tie-downs are part of the design to be able to accommodate that. Additionally, the bed lights we mentioned earlier, they come from the side. That's specifically done to kind of facilitate the tie-down of motorcycles at night. Most trucks have a bed illumination that comes adjacent to the high-mounted stoplight, which causes a lot of aerodynamic problems that we talked about earlier. Additionally, having the dispersion of light, this has better bed light performance than any other truck on the market. We guarantee a 10 lux light level no matter where we measure that at any point inside the bed.